Okay. The next thing that we are going to study is three rational numbers between any two numbers given below. So first thing that we need to remember is, children, whenever they give you any two numbers and they ask you to find out any 3, 4 or any numbers between those two numbers, you should know that there are infinite rational numbers that we can write down. There are many possibilities. Okay, but right now when we are supposed to solve this, how are we going to do that? Okay, so first thing that we are going to do is, I'll imagine it in the form of a number line. If I imagine a number line, and if I say I want numbers from 0.3 to minus 0.5, we all know that on a number line, negative numbers come on the left hand side and positive numbers come on the right hand side. So looking at that, I have written 0.3 here and minus 0.5 here. Now if I imagine what are the numbers that I'll have here, see, this will be minus 0.4, there will be minus 0.3, there will be minus 0.2, there will be minus 0.1, and there you'll have 0.1, 0.2, and you have 0.3. So out of these numbers, you can show any numbers here. Okay, so I'll choose any three numbers. I'll say minus 0.4, then minus 0.2, and this is 0.1. Are the three rational numbers rational numbers between 0.3 and minus 0.5. Now, next question. Minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. So I want any two numbers between these. See, children, if you have here minus 2.3, I can also consider it as say minus 2.30. I can also write down this number as like this, and minus 2.33. So if you look here, 30 and 33, you can write down 31 and 32. Okay, so the two numbers that you can write down is minus 2.31 and minus 2.32. 30, 31, 32 and 33. But we have been asked to find out three rational numbers. So we cannot do this by the above method, and hence we'll use another method to do this. And what is that method? First thing that we do is we add these two numbers and then we divide it by 2. So how am I going to do that? See, I'll find out a number which is exactly in between these two. Exactly a number which lies between these two numbers. Okay, so for doing that, so I'll take these two numbers, minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Now now how do I do that? Well, for this, what am I supposed to do is half into, or half, and in the bracket, or the other way, if you find it difficult, you can write down minus 2.3 plus minus 2.33 upon 2. You add the two numbers and divide by 2. When you do this, children, you will automatically get your number which lies between these two numbers. So, what do I get here? Minus 2.3 plus into minus is minus 2.33 divided by 2. So if I do this in rough, first of all, minus into minus will be plus. So I'll have to add 2.3 and 2.33. Whenever you add or subtract two decimal numbers, see that the 2 points are exactly below each other. Okay, so when I do this, 3 plus 3 is 6, 2 plus 2, 4. So now, let me write this answer. So 4.33 63. Also, I'll take the sign of a bigger number, which is minus. So minus 4.63. Minus 4.63 divided by 2. Now when I do this in the rough, 4.63 divided by 2. 2 2s are 4, 0. This comes down, 2 3s are 6. 0. 3 comes down, 2 1s are 2, 1 is the remainder. Since I have a decimal point here, I can take 10, so 2 5s are 10. So we get remainder 0. So answer for this will be 2.315. So I have already got one answer for this. The answer is 2.315. But this is only one number. 2.315. So if I try to imagine, I have now this is one number which I have got. What if I want another number? See children, look here. Minus 2.3 was one number, minus 2.33 was the another number, and I got a number which is exactly in between, which is 2.315. Also, you will have a negative sign here. So, negative sign. But I want three numbers in between these two. So, for that, what am I going to do now is, for that again I'll follow the same method and I'll find out a number which lies between these two numbers. So, I'll get one number here. Then I'll again find out a number which lies between these two numbers. So, and this will give me one more number. So, in this way I'll have 1, 2 and 3 numbers which are lying between the given numbers. I hope this is clear to you. So now my next step is going to be finding a number which lies between minus 2.3 and minus 2.315. Okay, and that again we can do by this can be again done by two methods. You can write down 2.30. This is 30. So you can write down 3. Suppose if I write down this 2.3, if there are 3 digits, so if I write down 2.300, so any one number between these two you can write down. Okay, so if I take the another number, it will be say 300 and 315. You can write down anything. Minus 2.310, 10, 300, 301, 302, 303, any number you can write down. Similarly, if there are 3 digits here, so if I put a 0 here, you have 315 and 330. You can put any number. So I can take minus 2.15 and 30, 315 and 330. Any one number will be say 320 or 340, 25, any number. So 2.323 suppose. So I have got my 3 numbers. Okay, so that I am going to write down here. So one number is this which I found out originally, and the other 2 numbers I found out by looking at the numbers. So my answer will be 2 minus 2.310, comma minus 2.315 minus 2.323 are 3 rational numbers between minus 2.3 and minus 2.33. Thank you. Now let us have a look at the next example. To find any 2 rational numbers between 5.2 and 5.3, I have to add both of them. So I'll just add both of them, 5.2 plus 5.3, and I have to divide it by 2. That will give me the number which is lying exactly in between 5.2 and 5.3. So if I do this, 5.2 plus 5.3 will give me 10.5. So this becomes 10.5 upon 2. If I divide this, 10.5, 2 5s are 10, 0, and this is a decimal point here. I carry 5 down. 2 2s are 4. So remainder will be 1. Since I have a decimal point here, it gives me a liberty to take 0 down. So 2 5s will be 10. And therefore 5.25 is the number. But 5.25 is a number which is lying exactly between 5.2 and 5.3. Let me understand this. Suppose 5.2 is a number and 5.3 is a number. The number which is lying exactly in between them is 5.25. 5.25. Okay. So I want 2 more numbers that will lie between both of these. And how do I do that, children? See, there are 2 digits here. So if I take the after decimal point, if I have 2 digits here, I'll put zeros here. Yes, I can do that. I'll put zeros here. Correct. So now I have how many numbers between 20 and 30? I'll choose any 2 numbers out of it because one number I already have. So between 20 and 25, I can take a number, say 5.22. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, anything. And between 25 and 30, I can take any number, say 5.27. So these are my 3 numbers which I'll write down, and therefore my answer will be 5.22, 5.25 and 5.27 are 3 rational numbers, numbers between 5.2 and 5.3. Now let us check the other examples. Now the next example is minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. So I'll do like we always do. We are going to add both the numbers and divide it by 2. So minus 4.5 plus, instead of and you will add minus 4.6 upon 2. You cannot write 2 signs besides each other, so you always put a bracket here. Now minus 4.5. Minus into plus will be minus. So now minus into minus, children, is plus, and therefore 4.5 plus 4.6 is equal to 9.1. So I'll write down 9.1, but I will also write down the sign of a bigger number, the bigger number here. So that will be minus 2. Let me divide and see. 9.1 into 2. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. I have a decimal point here, so I put it here. I take this 1 down. So 2 5s are 10. Which give me 1. I can take 0 here. 2 5s are 10. So the answer will be 4.55, but along with a negative sign. So I have, if I look again this, I can write down minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. A number which is lying exactly between these two numbers is minus 4.55. This is a number which is lying exactly in between. Now, so if this is having 2 digits after decimal point, let me take also 2 digits. So I put zeros here. I cannot put any number. I need to take 0. Now, you can see there is a number 50, 60, and you have 55 already. So in between 50 and 55, 4.5 is same. This part is same, 4.5, and the only difference is 0 and 5. So in between 0 and 5, you can write down any number whichever you wish to. So I'll write down say 4.52. You can write down 4.51, 4.51, 4.52, 4.53, 4.54 like this. Now out of 55 and 60, I'll write down any number of my choice, say 4.56. So these are the three numbers which are lying between the two given numbers. So I'll write down the final statement after that. The statement will be minus 4.52 comma minus 4.55 comma minus 4.56 are the three rational numbers between minus 4.5 and minus 4.6. Thank you.